Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can access Google Veo V3, even if you're outside the US, whether you're in Europe or anywhere else. It's fast, free, and really simple. When you try to open VideoFX or Gemini by Google, you might see a message like, Veo Flow is not available in your country. And on Gemini, it will only say the generate with V2. But here's how to fix it. All you need is a VPN. I recommend using NordVPN. It's fast, safe, and works perfectly with Google services. I've linked it for you in the description. Once installed, just connect to a US server, for example, Oregon or Virginia. Both locations work great. Now refresh the VideoFX or Gemini page. After a few seconds, you'll see that Veo Flow is unlocked, and on Gemini, you'll now see Generate with V3 instead of V2.